In Zoho CRM, Teamspaces are dedicated areas. They are intended to help the team collaborate and work better within a single CRM organization. Teamspaces enable collaboration. They empower teams to work in personalized spaces built for their individual roles. This helps communication, resource management, and increase efficiency. To create a Teamspace, click CRM Teamspace from header and click on plus New Teamspace. A Create New Teamspace page will open. Under Team Info and Modules, you can set your Teamspace icon. You can upload your logo by clicking on the icon, or you can choose Teamspace icon color. This will display the first two letters of the new Teamspace name. Enter the name of your Teamspace and provide a description to explain its purpose. Now, it's time to add modules to your Teamspace. You can select and add modules to your Teamspace by clicking plus Add Modules option. In the pop-up, select the modules you need and click Add. Afterward, create and assign folders for modules. To create a folder, click plus Create Folder and enter the folder name and click Create. After creating a folder, you can easily assign modules to the newly created folder. You can also rearrange modules, move them to another folder, and remove them in this space. After selecting the modules, you can enable/disable Reports tabs and Analytics tabs. By default, they are enabled. The final step is assigning a Teamspace admin to your Teamspace. Select a CRM user to be the Teamspace admin who will manage the space. To manage user access, select Available for all users, which will make the Teamspace accessible to all users. Or select Restricting access to selected users to specify which users, roles, profiles, or groups have access. In case you've chosen the latter, you can add users, roles, profiles, and groups to the Teamspace and click the Save button. Please note that the Teamspace admin will not be added automatically when you choose selected users. As a final step, click Save. Congratulations, you've successfully created a brand new Teamspace. You can also make a Teamspace by clicking Configure Settings, Customization, Teamspace. Then, click Create a Teamspace. This Teamspace admin can be any user of the CRM and can modify that Teamspace. Folders help organize modules within a Teamspace, making it easier to manage and access related tools and resources. By categorizing modules into folders, teams can quickly find and use the tools they need without sifting through unrelated items. Click Add Modules during the Teamspace setup. In the pop-up, click Create Folder. Enter the folder name and click Create. To assign modules to folders, select the newly created folder and add relevant modules to it. To create folders in an already created Teamspace, from the header, click on Manage Teamspace. Click on the Edit icon for the Teamspace where you want to add folders. Click on Add Modules, then click Create Folder. Enter the folder name and click Create. You can then add modules to this folder and click Add. Finally, click Save to save the changes in the Teamspace. To reorder your Teamspaces, from the header, click on Manage Teamspace. Next, drag and drop Teamspaces to reorder them as per your requirements. Furthermore, you can delete, edit, and perform other actions from here. You have complete control over your Teamspaces, set permissions, or edit them as you like. Support for switching between Teamspaces is vital. This is true, especially if you are a member of multiple Teamspaces. You can discover available Teamspaces by using Teamspace Switcher and can navigate to the available Teamspaces you are a part of. Click the Teamspace Switcher and click Manage Teamspace to add users or modules to a Teamspace. Then hover over that Teamspace and click the Edit icon. Now, add modules and assign folders. In the Edit Teamspace page, click Add Modules. Select the modules and assign them to folders, then click Add. This is where you can manage user access to different modules. Choose whether the Teamspace is available for all users or restricted to selected users. Add users, roles, profiles, and groups as needed. Finally, saving the changes by clicking Save to apply the updates. To remove users or modules from Manage Teamspace, click Edit icon for the Teamspace you want to remove users or modules. Select the modules you wish to remove or reassign them to different folders or Teamspaces. And you can remove users under Admin and Permissions by clicking on Users. Finally, save the changes by clicking Save. To edit a Teamspace, use the Teamspace switcher to find and click the Manage Teamspace button, and click the Edit icon next to the desired Teamspace. Here, you can make the necessary changes. Update the Teamspace name, description, icon, and modules. Adjust user access and permissions as needed. To delete a Teamspace, click the Teamspace switcher and go to Manage Teamspace. Go to the Teamspace you wish to delete and click the Delete icon. In the Delete Teamspace pop-up, click Yes, Delete to confirm. To grant access to a Teamspace admin, click on the Teamspace switcher and select Manage Teamspace. Choose a Teamspace and press the Edit icon. In the Admin and Permissions section, designate the Teamspace admin and manage user access. Teamspaces, a compelling feature brought by Zoho CRM in the new next-gen user interface to enhance team collaboration and effectiveness majorly. By leveraging the customization and organizational capabilities of Teamspaces, teams can work more effectively,